Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Jeez, I'm making a lot of videos today. So, today we're gonna take off this IC because we gotta, okay, it's a second video on this. Gotta change all those ICs. Those are ordered. They are quite rare. There's some line drivers. They are on their way. So now, that's more or less in the center. That looks good. Okay. So we're gonna remove that. So I removed it. I didn't clean the pads because I didn't want to damage anything. It's a matter of practice, whatever. We're going to remove it again, and we're going to put it back again. And the one little pad track is already slightly damaged, but I'll have to work with it. I'll have to be careful. Some flux. It lifted because I pulled it off too quickly. Okay, so that's my own fault. Tweezers. And I don't know if all you guys can do this. I'm right-handed, but I'm doing the air my left hand. Yeah, I've been using my left hand more and more for little things. So I'm not too worried about the IC being damaged because this is not the board. And this is not the IC I'm going to reuse. So I put that tape over there to stop those resistors from coming loose. The IC is loose, and there's it. Boom. That went much better. That went much better. Right. So that IC is off. Now we're going to take some. Oh, where's my little sack cutters? Yeah, my little sack cutters. A friend of mine gave me this. Alex, if you watch this, you gave me this. Thanks. Cut that. We're going to cut little pieces of solder wig. Gee, what's happening to me today? I'm losing words. Okay, so that's that. We're going to clean the little pads with a soldering iron and the little tweezers. Let's see if I can do this without messing things up. I think I should be able to. Yeah, it's going a bit crazy here. There we go. Nothing clean. That's nothing clean. Take the next piece of solder wig. Oh, we're going to get this thing done properly. I can see it. So, there was a little bit of a rush, a little bit of a panic to the other one. There we go, there we go. Oh, nice and clean. Okay, that tack is a little bit lifted. So that's the problem. Okay, so now we've got that. So we're going to put some solder. Oh, maybe we shouldn't put some solder. What we are going to do, we're going to put some more flux. These are all my practice runs, guys. To those who are watching my little videos, I can solder pretty good on normal full-size components. On this, my experience is extremely limited. So, as I was telling you guys in the other videos, pin 1 is a little mark on there. I don't think you'll see it on the video, but pin 1 is there, and then pin 1 goes where that little triangle is, where it points to that. In the old days, in the old boards, there was no such. There was no boards marked with pin 1, not that I can remember, not the ones I worked on. Okay, so let me see. Put this all lined up. Come on. That looks okay. So we're going to hold it down with the tweezers. Again, left hand. Boom, there's it. There's it. That's taken. That's taken. So from the solder that was on the pins. So now we can put a little bit of solder, and we might have to clean up, and it's fine. Okay, that looks nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. It looks nice. A little bit too much, but we'll clean it up. We will clean it up. Let me see. I've got some piece of solder wig over here. Clean it up over here already. Take it all off over there. Not all off, but there's it. There's is it? There's no short, so let me see. On this side there's no solder. I actually need thinner solder, but I'm not going to go buy it, but that's, maybe I should, well, I'll see, maybe I'll buy a small roll when I pick up the ICs. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, and there you go. So that's all taken. Okay, now what we're going to do is tweeze it again. This is why we put this little tape on, so that, there we go, look at that. So this is all there, none of that is damaged. Maybe that I can use the tape again. We're going to use the alcohol toothbrush is here. Oh yes, now there's a toothbrush for that. The alcohol is coming up. I'm going to take one of these toothbrushes home, otherwise I can't brush my teeth tomorrow morning. Let's go like that. Let's go like that. Is it perfect? See, I don't know guys, but there's no shorts, and if this was a working board, where's the IC? Finger, there you go. So there's no shorts. It's all there. That would work. I damaged the track. I pulled the IC off the first time too quickly, but it is there. Guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like, buy me a coffee. If you enjoyed this, you find value, if you'd like to contribute to me buying some more equipment, buy me a coffee. The link will be in the description. Thanks guys. Cheers.